Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a test drive in this 2021 Mercedes-Benz. No, that's not a Mercedes-Benz. This is actually a Nissan Sentra SR. Apologize for that one. No, that was a bit of a... I've had a Mercedes-Benz last week, so that's where that one came from. And yeah, of course, this is a night POV drive, so we will be doing a night POV drive and testing our headlights here and our tail lights and seeing these LED lights, how well they perform, and look at the high beam assist. I don't actually know if we have a high beam assist. I don't think we have one. I picked the car up the other day and it was a super busy week, so we'll figure that out together, I guess. And yeah, otherwise, even at the price that this Sentra costs, we got full LED lights, which is really nice. But yeah, if you want to hear all my thoughts about this Sentra and look at a video where I definitely know all my facts, not like here, make sure to check out the full review in the top right hand corner. Alright, that being said, let's get into the Sentra. This is the SR with the manual transmission, so just like it's supposed to be. Let's turn down the AC and put on our heated seats and our heated steering wheel. Reverse camera is really not that great, I'll be honest, but it does its job. You can still see behind you. And I don't want to go too much about the topics that I will talk about in the review, but honestly, for the price, it's pretty nice actually. Oh, also, please excuse my shifting. I haven't driven a manual transmission in over 2 years, so it's gonna be a little rough. I'm sorry. I'm working on it. Okay, let's put on the high beams. There we go. Also LED. Actually, we do have high beam assist. Well, that's neat. Turn them on and off as soon as we want it straight. Just want to mention, that was one of my complaints with both Mercedeses we had. Really not a name that goes well when you talk about multiples. Anyhow, is that they cost over $50,000 Canadian and did not have automatic high beams. While this $25,000 Nissan does have them, and they turn off beautifully. I'm flooring it right now. This engine only has 149 horsepower, so you really will need to rev it out if you plan on doing any acceleration whatsoever. So, but honestly, if you get the manual, don't get the CVT, get the manual. This is half the fun, so it's fine. Pretty quick to react as well. The high beam assist. Good job, Nissan. That was the wrong gear. You'll notice that often I will give it a little much gas when I start from stop. That's because I find the first bit very sensitive in terms of like throttle input. So I'm kind of not used to that. Like the limited experience I have in like manual transmission cars, I've driven quite a few because I'm from Germany, so I kind of have experience. It's been a while, but they weren't as sensitive in the like first few percentage of the throttle mapping. So that's why you see me giving it a little much gas there at the beginning. Although I'm pretty bad about it right now. I don't know why that is. Like earlier today I wasn't this bad about it. You can watch the city POV and you'll see me doing a lot of a better job. I don't know, it's late. Maybe I'm just a little tired. Honestly, it's just kind of nice to see how good even lower end vehicles in terms of price have been getting. And yeah, this Nissan for 25 grand Canadian, this is plenty of car for that. Ah, that was better. Yay. When we're doing our acceleration on the turn lane, you're gonna see me butcher the shifting in Route 1 real bad though. I mean, I'm not gonna, I don't know, I don't want to jinx it. Can I reverse jinx it? I don't know, they'll find out. If I say it's gonna be terrible, will it be good then? Whatever, I'm just enjoying having manual again, obviously. If I had a bit more than 128 kilometers, a lot of them highway miles, then I would obviously be a little more proficient with this again. It's a pretty smooth manual though. It's super hard to stall it. It's a little quirky. Sometimes like probably right now if I put the clutch in, you see the revs rising even though I'm not on the throttle. So I don't know if you can see it. The throttle. It's kind of weird. It gives me like a little gas. It kind of makes sense. I guess it's here for, you know, if you're shifting slowly, it kind of gives you a little gas in between and kind of rev matches itself a little. Just if you're shifting a little faster, it just kind of defeats the purpose. But, and it kind of varies. If I'm giving it a lot of gas, see how high it goes? Like from 1,000 to 2,000. But well, that's alright. It's just a matter of getting used to it, honestly. As soon as you do that, go fine. Let's turn off traction control. That's it. Okay. Let's see how the differentials work in this one. Oh, outer wheel peel. There you see it. This is especially if I'm shifting fast from second to third, for example. Generally, any shifting. If I let off the throttle, push the clutch in, I obviously don't want it to rev higher because I'm shifting up. I need the revs to drop a little, but it automatically gives it a bit of gas to like rev match it. I don't know if I were to shift slower. So in this case, it's really not helpful. I'll need to see if I can turn this off. Like I said, I really have had a super busy week and I did not get to really look into this. These POV drives are not a review. It's just kind of like a collection of thoughts and what I noticed while we're driving. So I will figure that out by the review. But I noticed that, and yeah, definitely the noticeably not a limited slip differential or anything. That was a lot of outer wheel peel, right? In this case, right side wheel peeling. Okay, back we are after a short little POV test drive. Honestly, I like this car. I just got out of a GLB, and it's just refreshing to see that Nissan offers features in a car that costs less than half of that GLB, and they just put it on there, put these features in there for free. That's just, thank you, Nissan. Really appreciate you not trying to rip off your customers. But that's luxury, Mike. Okay, I don't want to rant about this. Let's turn her off. Let's take another look outside. Anyhow, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I wasn't too annoying with my late night rants here. And yeah, this is the Nissan Sentra SR night driving. Like, you can't see much right now, so I will just show you probably on the right hand side, you'll see the review of this Sentra. I highly suggest checking that one out. I haven't shot it yet, I haven't filmed it yet, but I know it will be awesome because honestly, I'm pretty happy with the quality I've had recently. So definitely check that one out. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.